My oil filter housing cap broke as I was changing the oil and oil filter specifically, and I'm going to show how I fixed it and am able to still safely use it even though it's broken. This applies to Chrysler Crossfire and so many Mercedes-Benz cars like the Series C, CLK, ML, SL, SLK, to name a few. If you want to later see a detailed video on how to do a full oil change, I'll leave that video in the description below. A quick like and subscribe is always appreciated. Now, let's fix this filter cap. Now, if you haven't removed the oil filter or its remains yet, then unscrew this by hand or use pliers to turn this counterclockwise.
Okay. Go ahead and pull it off. Look at that. Wow. That was dirty. That's why I have the shop towels here. So, here's how the old oil filter looks. Very dirty. Most cases, it'll still be attached to this. Just go ahead and slide this down. Okay. The top of the cap came off. Don't worry. This is the part number. That's my old oil filter. When I took it off, it got stuck.
You'll see some rectangle-like plastic pieces that go around in a circle. Now, when I grab the rest of the housing stick, you'll see these pointy forks or groove-like on here. Just line those up with the others. Eventually, you'll feel like it's in, and of course, it won't move or wiggle off if you lightly shake it. It should feel like it snaps into place.
There's some grooves in there. There you go. Line it up. Push it down. There we go. It's done.
Now, once this is in, of course, you'll install a new oil filter and new oil. But the true test is when you torque it. It should be firm, and the cap shouldn't fall off when turning or torquing it back to specification, which is 25 Newton meters or 18 foot-pounds in this case. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you think if some kind of automotive glue would be best to put here for extra strength, or if this should just be replaced. I'll put this part in the description below, as well as the full guide on how to do an oil change. Please hit the like button if this video helped, and subscribe to check out the other great videos on this channel.
There we go. And it's off. And it's nice and tight.
Thanks for watching. Now go finish your oil filter change. Bye.